Here's Johnny.
Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razors Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. Please give us a like, share, subscribe, all that jazz helps to grow the channel. Here we are looking at the raspberry bush covered in squash plants, zucchini mostly, coming all the way from the compost pile, all the way down there. Just grew right across. Massive amounts, haven't been taking care of it. Oh look, we have a squirrel. Hey squirrel, how you doing, buddy? Hey, you gonna run across the screen for us to see what's going on? Hey, or are you just there you go. Hey, thanks a lot for coming into the shot. Indeed. And of course, like, this wasn't here, this raspberry sprig. Now this will give us fruit next year. Just annoying in the way. I'll have to tie that off. It's just, there's so much growth. Which I did not take care of. It just grew on its own. Wow. And our tomatoes. Our tomatoes are, well, they're just about done. Oh, look. Critters keep getting to it. Hey, look at you, eh? Just sucked all the juice right out of that. Well, that's the problems of having critters. Was it a bird? Was it a squirrel? Was it a rat? I don't know. Let's toss you over there into the compost pile. Oh, look, we have another pepper. Another pepper growing right here. Look at you. Wow. More peppers. Well, too bad we don't have any more cans. That's right, I've used up all my jars, which is what I was growing these peppers for, to help can zucchini and cucumbers. We didn't get too many cucumbers this year, but man, are we getting a lot of zucchini. Oh, look, another zucchini. Another zucchini just popped up over there. Hey, look at you, another one right there. I've been grabbing them smaller and smaller as they come out. Oh, and of course, I did have a sneaky zucchini right here. Look at that stem right there. A bloody sucker was to have been about 5 pounds, maybe 6. I was out here looking for something about that small that I could just snap off and cut up into my salad. Ooh, sneaky zucchini time. All right, let's go down. Look at the beans. So it was supposed to rain last night. Oh, last night, thunderstorms, possibilities of precipitation up to 60%. Oh, it never happened. Now, for the rest of the morning, it's supposed to rain. 40% possibility. Is it going to happen? I don't know. I don't know, but the problem is I didn't water the garden last night because of the high probability of rain. So now I have to water the garden this morning, at least the important plants. Everything stays pretty well soaked. Oh, look at you. Did I not grab you yesterday? Look at the size of you already. Oh, boy. Well, I'm blessed with so many plants. Look at this. This is insane. I've never had this amount of growth happening, except possibly in the first year when we had sunflowers growing at the corner of every box, because I was insane that year. I was like, look at me, I got a garden in. Most of them came up too. Now we relegate the sunflowers to the front. But getting back to the beans, our beans are doing now what they should have been doing in July. But it's too late now, folks. I'm not gonna get enough to can, I don't even have jars. I'm not gonna buy more jars because I only have so much room. Although we did grab some beans yesterday along with the zucchini to go in the salad. Yes, fresh greens. And I grab them like that and they're still fuzzy. Delicious. You get a lot more nutrients eating them raw than cooking them up, along with all this delicious kale. Always nice to snap off some fresh dill, throw in with some butter, salt, and pepper with potatoes dug out of the ground. And just our insane zucchini plant here. Let's get back here. Ah, yes. Plenty of pollinators coming around all the time. The big buzzy factory back here. Oh no, look, another zucchini right there. That I nut grabbed you yesterday too. Look at the size, that's you. I could freeze some, but I've already got so much. That's over here. One last longing look here. Well, the day before was the turmeric milk spray. Try to keep this mildew down. And the leaves are nice and strong and thick, as per the milk protein helping them out. Now, after today, it's supposed to be sunny again tomorrow, we will give them another milk turmeric bath. Why not? Now down here, in our squash boxes that this year are not growing any squash, just mostly zucchini, unfortunately, mixed up in seeds. But I did plant squashes like this. Maybe once the foliage starts dying back, we'll find a few more. Who knows? They are sneaky that way, just like the zucchini. Just like the zucchini. Wow. Oh, I think we can hear the music from the front. Well, let's go out front and have a look and see what's going on up there. See how the sunflowers are opening? And here we are, the chicks and beans. Past the lamb stretch. Oh, look. The bitter lettuce popped up. Now, our hosta. Quite cloudy out. Mostly cloudy all the way till noon. Things a little darker this morning. As you can see, we have our morning glories growing off daylily stems, also known as the tiger lily. Can't believe we're still having these flowers this time of year. And we now have 3 sunflowers on Butch 2.0, with the 4th one opening up right here. Might have been a pumpkin, but it broke off the stem, so nothing. Now let's look up at the giant sunflower. Will it open today? Who knows? Perhaps. And our other sunflower. Oh, looks like you are getting choked out. They're trying to. That's okay. We'll just unwrap this accumulation of morning glories since yesterday. Climbing up like a beanstalk. This is very strong. Let's grab this here. All kinds of them down here, wrapping around. Okay, well, I'm not gonna wrap you around, we're just gonna break you up. So, oh yeah. There. All right, so the flour is good. Now, our morning glories. We're hesitant in opening up in this cloudy morning. Little opening this one here. Let's look over on this other side. Well, all that watering paid off. We'll have these morning glories flanking both sides of the front deck until Halloween. Well, thank you all for coming out and having a look at the update on the growth of the garden on this 100th episode. That's right, this is the 100th episode today. We will see you next time. Thanks for coming out. Bye-bye.
Here's Johnny.